Hello and welcome to free Excel tutorial videos. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to identify a duplicated record in Excel, and once you identify it, you can edit or delete that certain record. So there are three ways to identify a duplicate entry in Excel. So let me use this worksheet over here to show you how you can do it. Okay, I have here a copy of an invoice register, and in this worksheet there are areas where the data has been duplicated by mistake. Okay, for example, here, 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 and I want to be able to highlight all those cells that have duplicates, so this way I can make a decision whether do I need to edit them or delete them altogether. So there are three ways to do this. The first method is to circle invalid data. Okay, this method must be used on a data set that has already been applied with data validation. Okay, so I have this column over here, or this range of cells that I have already applied data validation. Okay, so the formula that I use for the data validation is this one over here. Okay, well, I'm using the count if function, and this argument here is for it to look for the A, column A, and starting from the cell A2, and at the end of the formula it's very important for you to put equals 1. Okay, this is important so that we can be able to find duplicates in this column. Okay, so we have the data validation, as well as you have to allow customs. Okay, all the while we've been using list, but for this one we need to use custom. Okay, so once you have the data validation set for your range of cells, you can just come over here to this data validation icon, click on the drop down button, and you can choose this circle invalid data. Okay, and then you will see all the duplicated range of cells that exist in this worksheet, okay, or this workbook. So we have all these duplicated entries. Okay, so let me remove this. So for the second method, it is to use the remove duplicate function that comes since the 2007 Excel version. Okay, so this function is, you can use this, but it can be a little bit tricky. Okay, therefore I strongly suggest that you work on a copy of your original workbook. In fact, you know what, let's just skip this method, because it's kind of tricky and hard to get hold of, or hard to be for you to learn. So the third method is, which I think is the best method, is to use conditional formatting. Okay, so we have the range of cells over here, and what we need to do is go to the home tab and come over here to the conditional formatting. Okay, so let's click on the button here to get the drop down menu. So from the highlight cells rules, we get the flyout menu, and we over here we choose duplicate values. Okay, and as you can see, Excel has already highlighted the cells that has a duplicate content. Okay, so here let me just, you can also choose unique, or unique, so that you see the, now the conditional formatting will highlight the one that are unique, only has one type of one type of certain content in that data range. So this is the duplicate token. And over here on the right, you can choose the color. So I'm just going to choose like this, so it looks easy on the eye. So as you can see, this is a very simple and useful and easy and quick way for you to find any duplicate records in your Excel worksheet. Okay, so there is the conditional formatting method, which I think is the best, and also the data validation circle invalid data method. Okay, but I think that the conditional formatting method will do just fine for, I think, basically any type of data that you have in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so that is how you can identify and then delete or edit your duplicate records in Microsoft Excel. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.